Okay, hello guys, welcome to this video. I'm going to do a simple review and just how to start using your Vodafone Mifi. This is Vodafone mobile Wi-Fi RO2190 and I just bought it today and I want to open it up and let's see how it goes. And when you check the content, it comes with a mobile Wi-Fi. That's what I bought. They add you a USB cable, a quick startup guide, safety manual, and a reminder card. I don't even know what the reminder card is, so let's find out in it. So to open it up, I'm going to use this. I suppose I have a cutter, but I don't have a cutter, but I'll use this. It's simple. So I just cut through it. So when you buy it and it's without a seal, it means it's not from the original shop. And sorry to add, this is actually added. So when you buy, they add you a SIM which you register, and when you register it with your Ghana card, you have 10 gigabyte of data. That's because of the promo they're running. If you buy it after the promo, it's going to be 6 gigabyte of data to start with. And this is a reminder card. So this contains the password. I'm not going to show you the password. Yeah, you can read here. Yeah, this is going to give you the password. So you have that. We have the safety manual here, or start guide. So this is the guide. It's going to help you go through it, how to charge it and how to connect to your device on the computer. So this is the manual, this is the power saving modes, the buttons, how you press them and all those things. And yeah, so you get time to read. So the key is also here as well, but I'm not going to show it to you before you hack my Wi-Fi. That was by the way. So how to insert and all those things. So let's just follow the manual and go through. So all you do is, the Mifi itself is here. So I'm fortunate enough to have the black. I don't actually like their white one so much, so I have the black one that was given to me. Comes, it's sleek, the design is nice. It's not smooth, but it's very nice. So it will help you use it very well. It's portable as well. You can put this in your pocket, you can put this in your breast pocket or even back pocket, and no one will know that you are carrying a Wi-Fi. So it's portable, unlike the first one I bought. The first one I bought, it wasn't actually very portable, so I didn't like it that much. Yeah, but this is more portable. So there's a charging port here. There are buttons here. So this is the power button, this is the Wi-Fi or WPS. I'll get to find out that very soon. And this is where you open it up. So in the case as well, we have the safety manual. So you have to read this to know what and what not to do when using the Wi-Fi device. So you have to learn this, and I can't read everything to you right now. Some of you buy this and you never read it. Repent. We have the charger, and think this is good. Yeah, at least a good brand to speak about. So Telecel charger, a strong one for that matter. It's not like those that will just give you cable and leave you to your own fate. And a strong cable. Let me just open it up for you to see. It's a strong cable. At least it can charge the device very quick and very fast for you. Right, also in the box is the battery. Yeah, so for this device they are going with Alcatel. So Alcatel battery, Alcatel charger and all that. So this is the battery. So put the box down here and now focus on the device. So this is where it is. This is the opening place. So they've put a notch there so that you don't struggle to open it. Whether you have fingernails or not, you are able to open it freely. We have the battery here, but you can't just insert the battery without the SIM card. So how to insert the SIM card? Just open the SIM card out, and it takes the SIM card in the nano. It takes the nano SIM card. If you can see right here, it takes the nano SIM. So you have to know how to open it. So let me read the instructions. So you slide here to open it up. Yes, so it's open up. Sorry, you remove the SIM slowly. So because it takes the micro, rather, not nano, is the micro, not the nano. So what is inside is the nano SIM, what is outside is the micro SIM. So you just gently insert it inside the device and you lock it up, and that is that. So from there you insert the battery and you close it up. So you check when closing up. So you see the WPS and the power button are here. So that means you are supposed to go here since the buttons are over here. And you have your device. You just click the power button. So I've not actually charged it, but I suspect there should be some level of power in it. So I just realized that there is not actually power on it, so you have to charge it. That's why they've added charger and power bank, sorry, charger and cable, so that you're able to plug it and charge. So once you charge it and you on, I told you about the reminder card. Okay, fortunately enough, it has come. So after pressing it for so long, you can see the lights being on, so everything is on blue. And we have the reminder card, which the secret key is here. I won't tell the secret key. So this is here, and you can get to connect and use it. So also on the manual, we have the connection to the PC. If you want to change the Wi-Fi name and all that concerns the Wi-Fi, when you connect it to your internet device, when you connect it to the PC, you have the dashboard where you are able to receive calls, you're able to send SMS, you're able to check the battery percentage, you're able to even change the Wi-Fi name, the password, among many other things. And yeah, so basically this is how it is. And there's a reset button. There's a reset button that comes along with it. I've not seen it yet, but if you go through, they'll show you the reset button. I'm not going to show you here. If you can just check through the buttons, and the reset button helps you to reset the password to the original password in case you've forgotten. So you can always take the original password and check that out to have it for yourself. So basically this is how you unpack your Vodafone Mifi device, and happy using. Let me know your comment section whether it's fast or slow, whichever way it is, so that we'll keep discussion. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Subscribe, like this video, and comment. Bye.